welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a few DIYs that's going to help you to spruce up and cozy up any sitting area. Now the sitting area that I'm going to be doing is a chase lounge in my living room. I think that I have gotten it almost where I want it to be, and so yes, we're going to get right on into those DIYs right now. Okay guys, so first off, I'm going to be taking these large 24 by 48 inch panels that I picked up from Michael's for 75% off, which worked out to be $9 a panel. Next, I'm going to be taking this wall stencil that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I got this on clearance for under $1. I'll also be using these sponge brushes from the Dollar Tree, as well as this metallic gold paint that I picked up from Michael's. Now guys, this process is quite time consuming, so definitely do this when you have a moment to just craft and enjoy yourselves. Here you just see me lining up my stencil so that my pattern looks continuous and seamless. And so right here, I'm just giving you a look at how it looks before I do anything else to this piece of art. I think this is beautiful just the way it is, and you could definitely leave this how it is, but you guys know me, I'm going to add some glam to this piece. I'm going to be going in next with this tube confetti that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, but instead of using the gold color, I'm going to go in with the silver color so that it gives the piece a aged yet glamorous look. Again guys, do this when you have some time, because this process actually took longer for me to do than to actually stencil out the painting. So right here you just see me cleaning up some of that tube confetti so that I can lay down some more Mod Podge. And the reason why I'm doing this in sections is because the Mod Podge dries pretty fast, and so I needed to work in smaller sections to get this project done. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Now that I have this portion of the project done, I'm going to go ahead and just style the chase lounge that's in this room. I picked up this throw from Burlington Coat Factory and it was $12.99. This pillow is one that I already had, and it was from the home goods store. For my next DIY, I'm going to be going in with this large tube that I picked up from my local hardware store. All I did was simply have my husband cut this in half for me. Now this is something that you could do yourselves if you don't have a handyman around. Next, you'll need 6 packs of these shells from the Dollar Tree. My plan was to create a nice organized pattern, so I made sure that all of my shells were facing the same way for the first 2 rows, and then after that flip them the other direction and proceeded to complete the next 2 rows to follow. And I tried to do that every single time I added 2 rows. Alright, so now it's just time to spray paint it, and I am choosing to spray paint mine gold. To create a top, I'm using this board that I picked up from my local hardware store as well, and it was $6. Next, I'll be going in with this white paint from Walmart. Guys, I did not have any strong glue on hand, so for the sake of the video, I'm using hot glue, but definitely you will want to use something like Gorilla Glue or something like that, because this is quite a heavy piece and hot glue is definitely not going to hold it together for very long. So make sure you use a nice strong adhesive. Okay, so now you just see me styling my table. So I went in with this piece that I had created a while back, but later changed my mind. This sparkly Z Gallery inspired pumpkin is from Burlington and it was $9. Here's where you'll see me change out that vase for this candle stand, and it was on clearance for $3. Guys, I wait until the last second to take the tags off of things because I never know if I need to return them back to the store. But so now that I know that I'm going to be using these pieces, it's safe to take the tags off. This candle is one that I already had. I'm also going to be using this little owl that I had for years. It used to be a candle, but now I'm just going to use it as a little planter. These beautiful curtains are from Home Goods and they were $24. Now, I ran into a problem with these in that my existing curtains were too short. So I'm going to have to either replace my existing curtains or sadly return these curtains. You all have enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a big huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the subscription button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.